Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know, Halloween is coming and today I wanna carving a spooky pumpkin from this log of walnut. Be with me until the end and see how it will become. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until here, the main shape of the pumpkin is coming out, I think. Just some more idea I have, I don't know how it is coming. I found some piece of the wooden, which one I don't need. This one. And also one piece of cherry I have for here. I was thinking I am making some hat. I'm carving and here is coming the head of the hat because I don't need these two pieces of the wooden and I think it would be nice, but I don't know yet how it is coming. I should carve and in the carving I will find a way. And so here we have those of scratch. Maybe when I'm carving is going to separate. I don't know. Let's try. because I want to go inside of the pumpkin. I mean, I want to carve inside, and I have some plan for it. Later you will see. So with this disc I cannot go because here and there it is not let me to go more deeply and more inside. But I think until the minimum, more than half I should make empty. So yesterday I bought some new tools. As you can see on the video, 12 centimeter it is, and 2 diamond blade it has. I think with this one I can go inside. I didn't try it yet, for now I wanna try. Let's see how it is working. I hope it can help me, because it is here, it is small, it is hard to going inside. Let's see. So, more than this, I cannot go. Just look how it is perfect. I like it. Working very well. And deeply, you can go. I think it is about 10 centimeter minimum. I took the guard and I'm going more deep inside. More than this I cannot go because here it is not letting me. And I think it is about, it is about 14 centimeter. We went inside and look how it is deep and nice it is. So for my plan, I think it is enough, the deep. I don't need more. Now we are going for fixing the part of the hat and designing the pumpkin. I was waiting for Elisabed. She is coming from school to help me for designing the pumpkin. Now we are starting for the design, and after that continuing the carving. Okay, how you wanna design?
Put the pumpkin's face first.
Okay, let's do it. Come here a little. If you want, take the hat. I think it is more comfortable.
Now I'm drawing the mouth, and now I'm nose, and the eyes is complete. Now I'm with mouth.
So it's finished?
Yes, it is finished. Would you like it? It is beautiful.
Yeah,
So
it
much
is very
beautiful.
much beautiful. Just, I think 4 teeth if you are making is not better.
No, 3 teeth.
3 teeth is better.
Okay, let me show yours.
Okay.
Okay, I make like this. I make 3 teeth.
But in my idea, 4 teeth is better. Here we are making 2.
No, 3 teeth is better.
She is saying 3, I am saying 4. Please write in the comment below. 3 is better or 4. Thank you. Now I'm going to fix the head. Until the head is going to dry, I will start to carving the head of the pumpkin and see how it is coming. Here it is the final result, as you can see. And now I am going for the oil. For the oil I'm using the usual varnish, doesn't need any special oil. And let's see how it is coming at the end.
This is final result. Let's show our fans to down below, comment if you like this pumpkin we make.
So here it is.
We can put inside the shanks or Halloween candies, and it looks like this. We put the arrow instead of this because it will be more scary. So let's put inside the candle and let's turn it up the light and let's check if it's okay.
Let's see how it is coming. So, okay.
Let's turn up the lights and then let's see how it is. Okay, it's like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Remember we said 4 tooth or 3 tooth? Don't forget to comment that too. Okay. Yes? Don't forget to subscribe my father's channel and like this video and the comment below. Bye bye.
See you for the next video.
Yes, our pen.